Hey, welcome guys. I have been digging around the internet last few days and found something amazing. Now you all can help finding the cures for this coronavirus, no matter wherever you live around the globe. You might have heard of botnet, mostly used by penetration testers and hackers. Uses a network of computer to perform certain kind of tasks using the computing resources from the network. But you'd be really surprised to hear that a project called Folding at Home, started by Professor Vijay Pandey at Stanford University, also uses a similar kind of approach to find solutions of biomedical problems like cancer, Alzheimer's disease, and even this coronavirus. They are using this amazing distributed computing technology to simulate the molecular dynamics of proteins. Sounds pretty complicated, right? Yes, it is. That's why they need this much of processing power. As per a report of 20th March 2020, they have a processing power of 470 petaflops. Just for a comparison, the world's fastest supercomputer Titan is capable of 20 petaflops. Even then, this much of processing power is not enough. That's why they need your help. You might already have a beast sitting inside your pocket or on your desk. All you need to do is install an app and configure it on your smartphone or computer to contribute. Don't worry, you don't use your system while you are using, so it won't get slower. At a scale of globe, every single clock cycle counts.
Just show how to do that.
In that case, I have made 3 videos for each for Android, Windows, and Linux system. So go check those videos out, whichever of them suits you better. Links are in the description and on the card section as well. I can talk about this forever, but I want to keep it short. So if you are interested, you can read more about this on their Wikipedia page. The link is in the description. So please volunteer and help making the world a better place and fighting these problems. If it is like this video, you know why that button is. But if you like this video, please like, do share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more information like this.